And so I'll leave you with this question. What is in store for Unity Road in 2021 and 2022, right? We're coming, like you said, we're coming out of this rough year, but in many states where it was already legal, cannabis was deemed essential. So those businesses saw record sales, right? So what do you guys see in 2021 and 2022?
So the short answer is world domination, but what does that mean? It means that we have an opportunity here. We are uniquely positioned to help people achieve something that they have not been able to achieve before. The numbers in this industry are, you're talking about generational wealth. You're talking about helping people get into a path to change their families and communities long term. We take that responsibility very seriously. And so we see that growth continuing to develop across new states and continuing to normalize in some of the newer states that are ahead of the curve and that have already come on board. And so I think we're just going to see more and more people enjoy this product in ways that can be pretty profound, pretty life changing, both from a consumer standpoint, but from a business ownership standpoint too, to be able to provide some safety for entrepreneurs who are looking to get into this industry and really have an impact on their lives, their families, and their communities. We're really excited to be at the forefront of that.